Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and tools. First, enable developer options with 7 taps on build number. This allows low-level changes. Once done, enable USB debugging, and if using a PC, install ADB Tools or Samsung's Good Lock from Galaxy Store. Make sure you charge above 30% and use the original cable, otherwise connections drop. You're ready to connect the device to your computer or open Good Lock modules. Don't skip these steps. Now you'll make the specific system UI changes. If using Good Lock, open QuickStar, Navstar, or Task Changer and adjust colors, layout, and navigation gestures. Apply one module at a time. If using ADB, run targeted commands to change overlays or package settings. Use a DB shell PM cautiously. After each tweak, reboot the phone to ensure stability. You do this so you can isolate a problematic change quickly. Small iterative edits reduce risk. Finish by verifying every UI element works. Check notifications, navigation gestures, and system themes. Once satisfied, disable USB debugging and store a backup of the working configuration. If something goes wrong, reboot to safe mode to confirm whether a module or app caused it, then uninstall the culprit. If you can't recover, restore from your smart switch or Samsung Cloud backup. As a final option, perform a factory reset only after confirming you have a complete backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.